morning everybody, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative with your brand new mini kit. It's our stamping kit and this month it is called Aussie Tradies. It is not what we had planned to bring you. We had planned to bring you our winter stamps, but unfortunately that got lost in transit and we had to pivot a little bit, so now we are bringing forward what we had planned for August, which is Aussie Tradies. And in August hopefully we'll be able to bring you winter, which we had planned to bring you in July. Let me show you what is in the kit. So in the kit you get this gorgeous little stamp of these little Aussie Tradies. They're little clockers, they are so cute, and they are all going to do different jobs. So we've got plumbers and electricians and painters and gardeners and chippies and just a whole bunch of cute little Aussie Tradies in there. We've got happy birthday mate, you got this, and everything is under control. So we thought these would be great for Father's Day as well. So you can make some cute cards for dads and uncles and brothers and people like that. This is a laser cut. It's got the cute little house and for my mate and cheers mate. This is the inspiration book with all the different ideas and things you can make in there, and I'll take you through that in just a minute. And of course you get some cute little papers. So these are the papers which have got a really good small print, which is perfect for backing all of your cards. Whoops, wrong side. So all of these come in the kit. And you have got this cut apart sheet, which are some cute little sayings on there for all the tradies. I also recommend the dad cut apart sheet as well, which is really great for making cards for dad. There are two add-ons for this collection. This is the stencil, it is called wood paneling. And of course we have got the fussy cutting die, which matches the Aussie Tradie stamp. We also have a bonus stamp for you. This one here is called Work You. And of course there's a ute. We have another little tradie guide. We've got some painting things and another toolbox and lots of things for all your tradie friends. This one says you are a legend and this one says no worries mate. And the matching fussy cutting die. Let me show you the magazine. So these guys are busy doing a reno. Really cute cards. So our DT did an amazing job getting these cards done for you guys early, because obviously their deadline was brought way forward due to the fact that we had nothing. This is a cute little shaker with a ute. How cute. Really cute. I like this one. Have you got any painter friends? How cute is he in all his whites? Again, the guy, he's driving the ute. And Ashley was love and bought hers into. So she has made some cute little cards with these stamps as well. I love how this guy can also drive the car. Really cute stamps. We hope you like this one, and yeah, of course we will bring you the winter one next month because it will still well and truly be winter. These are now on our website. You can buy the kit, you can buy them all individually. We hope you love this one as much as we do. Till next time, bye.